Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is the third video of my Zodiac series on this channel featuring the Zodiac Nail Vault from Butter London. This 14-piece kit includes 12 polishes that represent the zodiac signs, plus a strengthening treatment and a top coat. Each season in this series, I'll be uploading a nail art look that features the shade of the season, and today I'll be doing a Scorpio-inspired dry brush design using the Scorpio shade Wicked. Wicked is a deep and dark and vampy red, and today's design is a bold dry brush inspired by the passionate and assertive Scorpios. According to horoscopes, Scorpios are resourceful, so this design requires no extra tools besides a few polishes from the Zodiac Nail Vault. And to make this design stand out, I'm going to be applying 2 coats of this deep and vampy red to my thumb, index, and pinky nails. And I'll do the dry brush design on the middle 2 nails, starting with 1 coat of the Jelly Preserve Strengthening Treatment in Strawberry Rhubarb. This is a really sheer treatment polish, so it's formulated to help strengthen your nails, so it works great as a base coat. And then I'm going to be using Wicked, Coming Up Roses, and Piece of Cake for the actual dry brush part. This is super easy, you don't need any extra tools, but you want to make sure you wipe off all the excess polish from the brush against the sides of the bottle. And then I'm going to swipe whatever polish is left on the brush in a diagonal pattern on my nail. I went from darkest to lightest, but it doesn't really matter what order you go in. You can always go back in and fix it up with a different color. As you'll see, I didn't wipe my lightest pink brush well enough against the bottle, so I had a larger blob of the lightest pink on my nail, and then I just went back in with the medium pink to fix it up. And finally, I finished off this design with the Hardware Shine UV top coat to add a super glossy shine. And here is the finished Scorpio-inspired dry brush design. That's all for today's nail art video. If you want to see more nail art featuring the shades from the Butter London Zodiac Nail Vault, then be sure to subscribe below so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. And if you want to check out the swatches of the polishes from the Nail Vault or my last Libra-inspired nail art, you can check out those videos or the playlist by clicking the link on your screen or in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!